Hey there, everyone. Welcome to GMB Gorilla. My name is Rody, and this is Ask the Gorilla. So today we're going to talk about what a good description for your Google My Business profile is. There's a few important things that you need to have if you want to show up. So let's go ahead and take a look. So today I'm just going to show you a good one, and then we're going to talk about what makes it good. And in this case, we're looking at Murray Hyundai, White Rock. Okay, this is one of the businesses that we manage. And of course, you can always get here by going to business.google.com to see the businesses that you manage. Now, if we want to see the description, we're going to go ahead and head to info on the left-hand side here. We're going to scroll down until we see this section here with the 3 lines. Now, this is your description, right? Now, if I click on it, it's going to allow me to edit it. We don't need to edit it right now. Let's take a look. Murray Hyundai White Rock in Surrey, BC, right? Surrey, BC is Surrey, British Columbia, in Canada, near Vancouver. They treat the needs of each individual customer with paramount concern, right? We know that you have high expectations, and as a car dealer, we enjoy the challenge of meeting and exceeding those standards each and every time. Allow us to demonstrate our commitment to excellence through Hyundai. So let's go ahead and take apart this first paragraph quickly. Now, right off the bat, we see the name included in the very beginning here, right? We're going to drop our own name because that's going to help us show up in search results when people are looking for this business. Now, it just so happens that the name carries the location, White Rock, right? Now, this isn't location spamming. This is the actual name of the business, like, the trademarked name of the business. Now, of course, we have Hyundai too. So when people are searching Hyundai, they'll know that this is the right place. So name, that's the biggest thing I want to stress here, is that you want to mention your name at least once in your description. We also have the location included. Now, we're not spamming the location. We're not naming every single neighborhood, but we are naming the primary location in which this business is located. Again, very good for search. A lot of what we're about to talk about has to do with SEO, search engine optimization, right? Now, right from the beginning here, we're setting the tone, and that's going to be number 3, right? So we have name, location, and tone, right? We want to look welcoming to our customers. We want our customers to know that they are valued, right? So the tone that we set here is one of welcoming. It's one of we're ready to help you. Allow us to demonstrate our commitment to excellence through Hyundai. And you see that name drop one more time, right? We also see something here, number 4, car dealer. Now, why is this here? Because, well, we are a car dealer in this case, but car dealer is what people are going to be searching for, right? Hyundai car dealer. It's very often a search term. So we're going to be optimizing our description. Now, this is super important. Optimizing our description for the search terms that we want our customers to look for. So looking at the second paragraph here, we're seeing more of number 4, right? Let's see, our sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. That's number 3, it's welcoming, right? But then we see that you can schedule a test drive. We have online inventory. We have financing options. For your convenience, we have a capacity as a tire shop, a certified Hyundai auto repair mechanic, and official parts supplier. Now, if you didn't already notice, these are all services that we're including because these are the kinds of services that people are going to be searching for. Now, in case you didn't already notice, we have services listed because these are going to be the types of things that people are going to be typing into Google. Again, this has to do with SEO, search engine optimization, right? Now, the last thing that we want to mention here is that a good description, it's actually what you don't see. You don't see phone numbers here, right? You don't see website links. You don't see email addresses. Why is that? Because Google will actually penalize accounts that have those things. It is considered spammy practice to leave your phone number, to leave your website or email addresses on your description, right? Google discourages that. We also don't see promotions. That's another super important thing here, because the moment you start having promotions in your description, it starts to look like spam and you will get essentially dinged for that. Google will penalize your rank for things like that. Okay? So one more time, we have the name of our location. We have our service area listed. We have a warm and welcoming tone, or a tone that reflects the nature of our business. And we have our services list. And of course, what you don't see is things that can be considered spam by Google. And we'll go ahead and leave a link to the official instructions left by Google for what a description should look like, so you can have a little bit more clarity on that. But that's the basic rundown. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. And also, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our videos because it helps us a lot. Thanks so much. See you next time.